Hi, today I'm back to do my Monday minis, and I have 12 ones and my 6-sided die. So 2, 5, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, and the last one is 5. And let's see. So let me grab a marker. Okay, so number 1 is Angela Marie 888, and it got $2. So 1, 2, 'oops. And then 2 is from Sent on a Budget, and it got $2. 1, 2, 3 is from Money Boss in the Making, and it got $1 today. So 1, and then next is 3 from Happy to Save with Hannah, and it just needs 1. So this one's done. And in hers, I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9. And I'm gonna add in Michelle Plants Daily, and I'm gonna put 1 in. So, and then next is another one from Money Boss in the Making, and I got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I marked to myself. And then last up is from Jessie Budgets, and it got $2. So 1, 2, And then that's all my Monday minis. But, oh. So, have my bucket from Midge at Sunshine and Chaos budgeting. And I'm adding in $1 for each completed challenge. And then I'm also I have my group play, which I just made 3 minis. And I'm gonna start the pineapple. And I have $3. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the 2 and the 1 for $3. And I'm gonna paper clip it. And oops. And that's all my savings today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.